Jokanyo sekta mar thieth osundo sirkal ahinya kaluwore gi digni mar okwa mar thiethno mar SHA e twak motako duol mar jolony e weche mag chike ICJ kinde ma yawa yanga chenro mar afya bora ma bende okelo kanyakla jokanyo mopogore opogore mag riwruoge ma oganda. Gikoni lokruok kowuok e okwa mar NHIF nyaka mar SHA ne ok otime yo makare. Giseyo jod bura ma pacho ka kuom kalo chike mag thieth ma gin giwegi ok ging'eyo tiegi maler ka koro giwacho ni gidwaro ntiere mondo mi onon chike mag thieth mathurka.
I am sure all of you must have been surprised to watch our members of parliament appearing surprised about the contents of the SHA law. And yet they are the ones who passed it. We have a very serious problem with that institution. Because you can't be the ones who are supposed to scrutinize the bills and pass them into laws. And when they have become laws, you get surprised that the laws are saying what they indeed are saying you passed. So we need to address that issue. It's a serious matter. People at Treasury, people in finance, do not understand the uniqueness of health. And so a lot of times they end up allocating to health less money than health requires.
You are detained in a health facility. You seek health care on the promise that the following services are covered. When you go to hospital, upon treatment, you are now told some services are not covered.
County Mahoma be oriwore counties mamoke